Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 22 May 2018, 13 of hour, 04 of minute and 22 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what is the most energetic dog? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what is the most energetic dog. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about what is the most energetic dog. Siberian Husky. Known for being the most willing and hard-working sled dogs, Siberian Huskies are also fun-loving, adventurous, alert and independent, according to Discovery.com. Weimaraner. Pointer. Border Collie. Australian Shepherd. English Springer Spaniel. Parson Russell Terrier. Airedale Terrier. More items. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.